So this is a short tutorial that explains how to work properly with categories and tags and what's the difference. So let's say we have a news website and we've got a few categories and tags. Categories, unlike tags, have subcategories that have hierarchy. So for example, you can have a category named politics and a subcategory called US politics, etc., etc. Tags, however, do not have hierarchy and they're totally flat. And that's how you should be using them correctly. So here's an example of a news website, and for example, it has 4 categories: politics, finance, health, and celebrities. And a subcategory, for example, for politics is US politics. And assuming that we have these 2 articles, Kanye West is running for Congress, and that should go under category of politics, or more correctly US politics, but it also can go under category of celebrities. And let's say we also have another article, Kanye West donated millions for clinical depression research. It could go under health and also under celebrities and maybe also under finance. And we're thinking that it could also be a topic on its own, which is Kanye West, could be a tag. Do we want to tag this post? And we can check search volume and we can see that just the keyword Kanye West and its variabilities have over 3.8 million searches a month. I'm checking it based on US desktop for March 2021. So we definitely want to rank also for a keyword like Kanye West, but it's not exactly a category. We want to see all the articles related to Kanye West with a tag. We can have multiple tags, we can have hundreds, maybe even thousands of tags, but we don't want to have hundreds of categories. It's just too large. So these 2 articles, both of them will have a tag called Kanye West. And that's the proper usage of categories and tags in a nutshell.